There's a reason the same 5 niches show up in every Make Money online video you watch. They're saturated, oversold, picked clean. But right now, in the quiet corners of the internet where the real money moves, there are 5 niches emerging that nobody's talking about yet. And by 2026, the people who move first will own them. Most affiliate marketers are still fighting over weight loss and crypto. They're 3 years late. You're about to see where the actual demand is forming, and it's not where you think. Let's start with something specific. In the last 18 months, searches for sustainable home automation have grown 340%. Not smart homes. Not how to make your home smarter. Sustainable home automation. People aren't asking how to turn off their lights from their phones anymore. They're asking how to do it without killing the planet. There's a psychological shift happening, and it's massive. Amazon, Philips, and Eaton are all releasing new product lines specifically for eco-conscious automation. The affiliate commissions are sitting between 8 and 12%. That's not spectacular on its own. But here's what most people miss. The average order value in this category is $1,847. Someone buying sustainable smart home systems isn't the person buying a $40 gadget. They have money. They've already made the decision to spend. They just need someone they trust to point them toward the right product. You could, start a YouTube channel today about choosing between Nanoleaf versus Philips Hue from an environmental angle, or maybe write a detailed comparison of which smart thermostats actually reduce energy consumption. That content just doesn't exist yet. Not good content anyway. But hang on, there's something underneath this that matters even more. The second niche nobody's really talking about is medical tourism insurance. Specifically, this emerging market of Americans and Canadians seeking dental and cosmetic procedures abroad and needing legitimate insurance to cover complications. It's already a $4.5 billion market, and it's growing at 28% year over year. Why? Well, because it's become socially acceptable. Your neighbor isn't embarrassed to tell you they got their teeth done in Mexico anymore. There are affiliate programs paying $150 to $400 per qualified lead. Not per sale, per lead. You're not selling the insurance directly. You're connecting people with brokers who are honestly desperate for qualified referrals. The customer acquisition cost for insurance brokers in this space is insane. Sometimes $600 to $1,200 per customer. So, they're willing to pay you generously just to filter and send them real humans who actually want coverage. You could build a simple comparison site, or maybe a YouTube series called Dental Tourism Done Right. Even a Reddit community where people share their actual experiences. The content ladder is short, but the monetization ladder, well, it's long. But here's where most people get it wrong. They build content for the wrong intent. Someone searching dental tourism is already too far along. They've already decided. You need to catch them at the moment of anxiety, when they're thinking about getting the procedure done, but they're terrified of the risks. That's when they'll search, what happens if something goes wrong with my dental implant abroad? That's when they realize they need insurance they didn't know existed. The third niche is vertically specific AI tools, not AI in general. Everyone's selling AI courses now. I mean, tools built specifically for interior designers or pet groomers or HVAC technicians. These are niche software products that are actively recruiting affiliates because their customer acquisition is brutal. Here's the specifics. There's a tool called Design AI that's built for interior designers. Commission is 30% recurring. That means if you refer someone who pays $49 a month, you earn $14.70 every single month. Forever. You don't do anything else. You just referred them once. Let's do the math. If you referred 50 people to a tool like this in 2026, and only 40% stayed subscribed after a year, and most would, you're looking at recurring income of $2,800 a month with zero additional work. And the best part, These tools are desperate for affiliates because they can't afford to run expensive ad campaigns. You don't need a massive audience. You need to be trusted by the right small group. The difference between this and a weight loss supplement is everything. A supplement affiliate needs volume. They need thousands of people to click. Conversion rates are 1 to 3% at best. But a niche software tool, if you build content that speaks directly to interior designers, show them exactly how the tool saves them time, your conversion rate could hit 15 to 20%. You're not convincing someone to buy something they don't need. You're introducing them to a tool that solves a real problem they already have. Now, this is where it gets a bit uncomfortable. The fourth niche is something I call personal data monetization tools. And before you click away, just listen for a moment. There are legitimate platforms emerging, Brave Browser, Wycall, even some new blockchain projects that let people actually sell their own data and get paid for it. The affiliate commissions are low, usually around 10 to 15% per referral. But the customer lifetime value, that's the fascinating part. Because once someone is in the ecosystem, they're making passive income themselves, which makes them incredibly sticky. The real money, though, comes not from the commission on the tool itself, but from the secondary affiliate opportunities that open up inside the ecosystem. Someone using a data monetization tool becomes a potential customer for VPN services, privacy-focused email providers, password managers, the list goes on. You're not just earning one commission here, you're opening a door to an entire suite of privacy products. But, and here's the trap, this can feel like one of those crypto schemes from 2017. Your instinct is probably screaming that it's sketchy. And honestly, maybe some of these platforms are, but the underlying trend, people caring more about privacy, is real, and it's accelerating. The people who get ahead of this aren't the ones promoting sketchy get-rich-quick schemes. They're the ones treating it like serious education. Build content that teaches the real privacy concerns. Explain how data brokers actually work. Then introduce the tools as a legitimate response. You're not selling hope, you're selling literacy. The fifth and final niche is luxury home services for remote workers. This is specific and it really matters. The number of high-income remote workers is exploding. They're no longer concentrated in tech hubs. They're in smaller cities, suburbs, even rural areas. And they want to spend their newfound location independence on things that matter: custom home offices, acoustic treatment, standing desk solutions, ergonomic consulting. There's an entire ecosystem of products and services here. Affiliate programs through Herman Miller for ergonomic furniture, partnerships with acoustic treatment companies, referrals to interior designers who specialize in remote workspaces. The average customer in this space drops between $8,000 and $15,000 building out their ideal setup. You could build a YouTube channel called The Remote Worker's Home, or a newsletter for people making six figures who just relocated. The content is evergreen, the audience is growing, the commissions are real. But here's the thing that keeps most people out of these niches. They require you to care about something that isn't viral. You can't make a trending TikTok about sustainable home automation. It doesn't hit the dopamine circuit the same way that a shocking claim or a transformational before and after does. These niches require real audience building. They require consistency. They require you to treat it like a business, not a lottery ticket. The people who are already winning in these spaces started 18 months ago. They had less competition. They built an audience that trusted them. Now the commissions are still good, but the window for being first is closing. If you start today, you're late. But you're not too late. The market is still forming. The automation is still settling. The tools are still evolving. There's still room for a genuine voice that understands the problem deeply. The final truth, these niches will look obvious in hindsight. Your followers will say, yeah, of course I saw that coming. But right now, today, almost nobody sees them coming. And that's the only edge that matters. If this helped you think differently about where to focus your affiliate efforts, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you don't miss when these niches shift again. Because they will. The money always moves first. The explanations come later.